What we do have is a series of gruesome murders committed with brute force. Body count as of today is 5.
He will kill again right quick, and that's the truth.
That animal should be put to death.
We can make this over right now.
Put the knife down, or I put you down.
I ain't finished yet.
The market plunge was sharp and swift.
Well, the tech sector took yet another beating this week, but there were a few winners, most notably Landshark.
What does it cost to lease the G5? $1 million a month. You want the gold stream, go ahead and get it.
Well, market confidence in Landshark has been extraordinarily high. The real question is, where will these guys be 6 months from now?
We'll be right here. Landshark, what do you actually do?
What the net is supposed to do, what new broadband is supposed to do,
Is increased freedom, is increased choice. Why the hell would somebody give you $1 million?
Add 2 zeros, and that's what we're talking about.
You did it!
Tell me how it feels.
4 weeks from now, if we don't get any cash coming in, we're gonna be underwater.
So what are our options?
Cutbacks, layoffs, but then there's the whole perception thing.
No, that's not the play. That's not the way we're gonna do it.
I know money, man. If we can just make it from here to there, these next few weeks, there's a pile of money just waiting for us.
This is not a negotiation, Mr. Sterling. This is our offer.
We don't much like the way you conduct your business.
I trusted you. For you, this is all a game or something.
This is no time to be proud, Tom.
I still believe in Landshark.
This will take more than smoke and mirrors.
You and Melanie just have to have a little bit of faith.
Sure you want to fly? It's not too late.
No, it's okay.
Oh, great, you're up, honey. This is Carlos and Abby. This is my wife, Jessie. Next stop, Russia. Come on.
Our new cabin mates. Where'd they come from?
He said that they were teaching in Japan. You think it's obvious that we're Americans? This is Ilya Grinko, detective.
Who are the bad guys?
People who look innocent, but are really not. They add special chemical to heroin, mold it into objects.
They pay much money for this.
What are these? Did you buy them?
Carlos.
Gave these to you?
No, he didn't.
Would you come with us, please?
Where are we going?
Oh, Lord. Your wife has problems with the truth.
What do you want? You have your drugs. You're not a detective! Let's go.
They'll kill us.
Jess, a door!
Woody Harrelson,
Give me your hand!
Emily Mortimer, Kate Mara, Eduardo Noriega, with Thomas Kretschmann and Ben Kingsley.
You must take responsibility. Where is it?
Trans-Siberian.
You're my best friend. I love you.
I love you, too. I didn't do a great job raising my little brother and sister. Most people would agree that at least one of them is unstable.
I heard you're a big photographer. I take glamour shots of transvestites. Everything okay?
Jay had an accident. He's gonna be okay. Maury's gonna bring him home for dinner.
I think I'm gonna stay in the attic.
Hey, Maury, what's up?
I just don't think this is the ideal time for you to come home.
His head's misshapen. Is it a condition?
Okay.
Coming through.
You know what they say, Maury? Loosen your belt a bit, loosen your robe.
You don't want to see that. It has been months since I've had a bowel movement. That's a true story.
You're psychotic, pal. Just like the rest of your family.
Yes, but we're nicer than you.
On the French Riviera, nothing comes cheap. And when it comes to men, Irene has very rich taste. But one confusing night, she met someone. Who wasn't what he seemed.
Jean?
Now the truth is out. And the only way to win her heart is to beat her at her own game. Audrey Tattoo.